Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today I got some quick putting tips for you on how to become a better putter inside the circle. Let's get to it. Just have a good grip. This is the grip I'm looking for. Is get you a good stance. Alright, so step number one is basically find a putter you are comfortable with. I like the Judge. I got 5 here in the same plastic, similar color, and the same weight. 5 is a good number because it allows you to get more repetition in. And also step number 2 is have a basket. You need a basket to putt, to make your putts in. So yeah. By the way, if you're wanting to get a stack of 5 of putters, make sure you check out the Dynamic Disc store. Link will be in the description. You can get a stack of 5 putters in the same weight and the same color. Step number 3 is have a good grip. This is the grip I'm comfortable with. I like to hold it like this on the bottom and have my thumb on top of the plate like this. Step number 4 is get you a good stance, have a nice comfortable stance. You need to do the straddle putt or the staggered stance. I prefer both. I usually use the straddle putt when I'm behind a tree or something, but mainly I use the stagger stance. Now once you get your stance nice and set, make sure you're nice and grounded. When you're putting, make sure that you're in line with the basket, and then you pick out a chain length inside the basket and then hit it. The reason why I like 5 putters again is I don't have to keep walking back to get that one putter. I have 4 more putters left, so I can just stay where I'm at and allow for more repetition. Also, another tip to become a better putter inside the circle, it's good to have something like a chair to set your other putters down. Say if you like to hold only one putter in your hand, you can set your other putters down on the chair instead of having to put them down on the ground and keep having to hurt your back. So yeah, so that's really all to it. The reason why you need to become a better putter is, number 1, if you miss putts, you suck. I'm sorry. But number 2, it'll allow you to save a whole bunch of strokes on the course, and it's very useful. By the way, if you have trouble picking out a spot in the chain, whatever, and you can't afford a disc dot, what you need to do is get you a leaf. Stick it in the chain. Say if I want to hit this spot right here. There you go. Got you a little disc dot. Just hit that spot over and over again and develop consistency, and you'll become a very good putter. One more thing I want to go over is actually having yourself a game you play that actually allow you to become a better putter. There's games just like Pig and stuff like that that actually has to have 2 players to play, but when you're by yourself because you're lonely, I feel that this is a good game to play. I don't know the name of this game, but basically what you start off to do, you got 5 putters. You start off from 15 feet, then as you make 5 in a row, you move back to 20 feet. If you make 5 in a row from 20 feet, you move back to 25 feet, all the way up to 30 feet inside the circle. But when you miss a putt, if you miss 1 putt, you have to stay at that station. But if you miss 2 putts, you have to move back down a station. This is something I saw on Conor O'Reilly's video. Make sure you check that out, link in the description. It's very useful. I've actually been doing this a couple times, and it actually helps quite a bit. So yeah, I'll go over the game step by step, and yeah. All right, so here from 15 feet, if I make all 5 of these putts, hopefully I can make all 5 of these putts at the same spot. Well, you don't have to make it the same spot. You just gotta make all 5 of your putts, then you get to move back 5 feet. So yeah. By the way, make sure you follow through in your putt. Alright, I made all 5 putts, so I get to move back 5 feet. Alright, I'm here from 20 feet. Hopefully I make all 5 of these. Then I get to move back another 5 feet to 25 feet. So yeah. A little low on that one. And another good tip is to actually take your time on each one of those putts. I didn't really take my time at all, but that's a very useful tip, is to actually take your time and take a breath and focus on your putt once at a time. So yeah, right, on the 25 feet. just snuck that one over the cage, but under 30 feet. We're on to the last station, 30 feet, which is the last feet distance inside the circle. And hopefully I can make all 5 of these, and I'll pass, so yeah. As you saw there, I missed my first putt, so I have to make these 2 to stay at my position. And if I miss one more, I'll have to move back up a station. Well, move back down a station, so yeah. Well, I'll have to move back down a station, but you get the point, you get the game. It's a very fun game to play, and it'll help you become a better putter quite consistently as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment for more ideas and stuff like that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.